everybody, it's your boy here, Emerald Slayer, and we're back with another. This time, we're playing Universe Sandbox. 'Cause I thought this would be fun. So here we got the sun. That is so bright. The entire solar system. Right. So, what happens? We're doing science experiments today. So what happens if we throw another star at the solar system? Let's go stars here. So we'll start off small with the smallest known star. With smallest known star, we'll start off with that. Let me look it up. EBLMJ0555-57AB. Catchy. I know there's a third. Yeah, here over here. EBLM. Okay. So, it's not in the game's database, but I think we could just get rid of that. We could probably just take Bernard's star here. Pause. Bingo, right at the center. Alright, so where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Let's rename you to I'm average sized. Absolutely not. We're gonna turn you Jupiter masses. Minimum. Ooh, too much. Ooh, too much. Bingo, perfect. Absolutely magnificent. Absolutely puny. For a size comparison, here's Jupiter. Here's Jupiter. Here's Earth. And, here's the Sun. Significantly larger than I am average sized. So, Orcus, boom. Yeah, we're gonna need to, it's out past Pluto, we're gonna have to go. Oh, look, flares. we are way out here. Alrighty, we're going. Hell yeah. Okay, we can move a little faster. What's gonna happen? Oh, the sun is actually moving, and he just got rejected. Bye. I guess. See ya. Okay. Well, did anybody? Ooh. Okay. Let's see the damage. Yeah, okay, so Mercury is. Oof. Mercury. What happened to you, buddy? Jeez. Red. Temperature? 387 degrees. Okay, I guess that's hot enough to glow, I think. I'm not actually sure. Earth. Well, Venus. Venus is all messed up here, too. Other than, I guess, its orbit being thrown out of whack. Nothing really happened. It's still 430 degrees Celsius, or 806 degrees Fahrenheit. Earth, though, oh, yeah, everyone's probably dead. Most likely, oh, and, no, leave, no. Unless you live here. If you don't live here, oh, maybe a little around here. You're having a, but mostly like here, there, right there. You're having a good time. Everywhere else, let's see here. Oh, actually, I mean, you might be struggling, but according to this, you're likely to still be alive. Let's see if that drops any. I mean, it's not perfect, but I don't think anybody died. I think maybe like it would be a lot harder to survive, but so let's crank it up a bit. How about we do that? Instead of having a puny, useless star, let's crank it up a bit to something that might actually be on the list. That's still too large. Real bright star though, I have pictures of this. Proxima Centauri? Alpha Tau. Okay, now this one is massive. This one's larger than the sun, so we're not going to use this one just yet. Star page. There we go. What's the mass of this one? 0.25 of the mass of the sun. This one? You know what? We'll do Proxima Centauri. It's famous. Actually, no. It actually seems pretty insignificant compared to what we just fired. Something slightly larger. This. I think this. moving a little closer so we might actually get to see something. Right there. We'll launch it. It's coming in, coming in. Wolf 1061. A lot of flares on these red dwarfs. Who's gonna win? Is it gonna be the star, Earth, the Sol, this star, Wolf, Wolfman underscore 69. Bingo. That sounds like a cringy Xbox username. Okay, you can move slightly faster. Thank you. Now, if this hits the sun, that's gonna be interesting. But I don't think it's gonna be a head-on collision. I don't. And what's the damages? Well, it wasn't completely dominated and humiliated, publicly humiliated like I'm average size was. I mean, its trajectory still got altered, but it wasn't like complete 180 back to where it was, or 360, whatever. I don't care. So, and the sun and the sun's moving. Neptune, Uranus, Jupiter, Pluto, they're all gone. Gravity and Neptune? Seriously? So Uranus and Jupiter get ejected, but Neptune stays in orbit. That's interesting. So does Saturn. That's interesting. I wasn't expecting that. Did we freeze the Earth again? The Earth looks froze. I'm worried we froze the Earth again. But it still got seasons. It's very cold. Not great, not ideal for life, but still habitable. Alright. I was expecting like everyone to die, but we're not there yet. Not yet. Oh, but we will be. Very soon. Okay. Very soon. Right. So, we had... we've already shot this one. So this one... that is a white dwarf. That is not a good idea. Let's try an orange dwarf. So, like, it's slightly smaller than the sun. Blue, white, main sequence star. That... Now, call me colorblind. Even though I'm not. That is not blue or white. That is orange. View red star. Elf rad. Orange giant. I want an orange dwarf. Okay, those are massive. You know what? This. Screw it. This one. This one's pretty close to the sun's mass, and we got to make it interesting somehow, right? Like, baby steps. Oh, this one. Okay. What do you think that one there, chat? What do you think about that one there, chat? You think everyone died? Okay, we. Oh. Great. Absolutely fantastic. Wow. Okay, I do. I think all of. Is Earth even still around? Jupiter is. Jupiter's hanging in. Lost a lot of mass, but and shrunk quite a bit, but he's still hanging in there. Wrong button. We gotta find search. No. Ooh, temperature. That'll be fun to mess with in the future. Where do I go to search for an object? Is it here? Oh, yeah, here. Yeah, no. Earth is just gone. Evaporated. Gone. Disintegrated. There's a couple of moons left in Ceres. I don't think anything past Ceres survived. Neither did Uranus. Uranus got blasted. Neptune? Oh, Neptune did fine. Neptune did fine. Neptune did perfectly fine. Gagong gong. Hey, buddy. I didn't know they had you in this game. This is the greatest dwarf planet ever. Gong gong. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. I know Pluto's great, but Gong Gong, top tier. Absolutely fantastic. Saturn, how you do? Supernova, type 1A. Saturn. Let me see Saturn. Why are you preventing me from seeing my boy Saturn? I want to see Saturn. Is Saturn broke? Where is Saturn? There's Pluto. Pluto's still alive. That makes me happy. Oh well. This... Yeah. Yeah. Well, that was probably the most interesting one we're going to have. Yeah. I don't think they're gonna get any more. They might, because now we're going to get, we're getting crazy now. Earth is in this one, good. I'm glad. We could throw the sun at it, but no. We're gonna throw Sirius. It's similar, slightly larger than the sun, actually, and a whole lot brighter. Very, very bright. Boom. I just want to check it out. Let's habitable, no, view, habitable. Oh, Sirius does in fact have a wider habitable zone than the sun, but it's not enough to like affect a whole solar system. Alright, that's good to know. I mean, I'd hope a larger star would have a larger habitable zone than the sun, but you never know. Here comes Sirius. Are you serious, bro? That was a bad joke. Maybe we're definitely gonna be throwing a neutron star and oh, Sirius is playing with Uranus and Saturn, and where'd the sun go? That is not the sun. Where'd the sun go? Did Sirius eat the sun? Sirius played with Uranus and then ate the sun. Sirius played with Uranus and then ate your sun. Alright, well, I really should start zooming in close. I'm gonna start next time, zoom in closer to the stars. So, gone. Let's keep going then. Well, Earth had more water. Emphasis on the had part. And now it's all gone. And life likelihood is dropping rapidly. So we killed everybody again. So that means the total death toll of this video is 16 billion. Let's crank it up another notch with what's a star, everybody? No. Rigel. Yeah, Rigel. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, this is exciting. Bingo. Now, Rigel, as you can see by the things being lit up, and the Earth being bathed in an abnormally blue glow, is absolutely insanely massive, which we will turn off space goggles for this. Rigel if you block out the sun, that is out beyond Pluto. Rigel, located in the constellation Orion, is enormously bright. Turn those back on though. Habitable zones. Where are they? Oh, hey, Earth is in. No. Go. Yo. I can say, hey, Earth's in the. No. Rigel is massive. Rigel is going to fry the entire solar system. Could we get the entire solar system to orbit Rigel? Concept for a future video. Interesting. I might do that later. Not just Rigel, but other stuff, like get the whole solar system to orbit it. Yeah. I swear a Gonga Gong is new. Right? Like, it has to be new. Oh well. The Earth Earth is already fried. Everyone's dead. And the stars haven't even collided yet. The sun is being absolutely humiliated. Venus is scorched. No surprise there at all. Mars has water. But it's not habitable because it's 515 degrees Fahrenheit. Ceres. Fantastic. Nothing interesting going on there. Jupiter is actually warm. None of these. How's my sun doing? Scorching. Oh, wait, I wanna... Oh, Sylvia. What a fantastic name for an asteroid. So if that wipes us out, it'll be... You were killed by Sylvia. Oh, yeah, that explains why there's a star in the solar system right there. Why this is about to happen. Oh, but Sedna's destroyed. Oh, C1906E1. Whatever that is. That's a comet. Alright, let's check. Mercury is still Mercury. Earth is... Okay, let's speed up time a little bit. Ooh, Sedna. Looks like it's eating the solar system. Like those visuals of black holes eating stuff. Oh, the sun's being eaten. The sun's gonna be eaten. Oh, no, the sun wasn't eaten. And the earth is... Well... The earth is in one piece. It's not okay by any measurable factor, but it's in one piece. The solar system. It was fun while it lasted. Oh, hey, look. The last bit of habitability. Right here. Last bit of habitability before Ice Age. Right on cue. Snowball Earth. Unless you live here. Unless you live, like, here. Or... Sri Lanka. Yeah, there we go. Or the Madagascar's tip. It's only negative 8. Yeah, it's just going down. What's going on in what is now considered the inner solar system? Okay, so Neptune is orbit. Neptune and Uranus are... Oh, Gagongong found a new... is happy. Not habitable. Ooh, that's another good idea. Not habitable, but it's decent, it's good. It's good, Hygia, you know. Let's reset this, and let's throw... We already threw Rigel. Rigel's pretty big. Betelgeuse. For size comparison, that's the sun, and this is Betelgeuse. Honestly, like, I don't mind these I liked when the surface of stars were more textured. I mean, I like the light update, but I kind of miss when the surfaces of stars were textured. Get back here, Earth. As you can see, Earth is a golden glow. Oh, that's cool. That is sick. No more nighttime. Oh well. I guess every few months you get nighttime. Habitable zones? Habitable zones? Let's look at habitable zones here. Earth is Betelgeuse. Oh, we're like almost there. Kind of. We're just gonna keep getting closer. We're Let's turn that crap off. I don't wanna look at that. Get off my screen. You think Betelgeuse is gonna eat the sun? Or like, that is absolutely massive. You think everyone's dead yet? Yep. Yeah, everyone's dead. The oceans are now probably boiling away. As things, if I noticed that right, yeah, collide with Betelgeuse. Collide with Betelgeuse. Bingo. Look. What if let's turn these back on. Turn all this off. Hey, bye, Neptune. Oh, we are very close to Betelgeuse. Yeah, the sun's getting eaten. Oh. Gong gong. Wee. Gong gong. Not gonna become habitable this video, unfortunately. I think the Earth is gone. The Earth is just straight up gone. So the bigger stars are not as interesting. Like, they just eat everything, and they don't even really make it into the solar system. They just pull the solar system towards themselves. So we're gonna go all the way up. We're gonna go with the largest star in the universe, and then we're gonna throw a most massive white dwarf and the most massive neutron star at the sun. That's our plan. That is the plan. Let's go out here. No time wasted. The largest star. Stephenson 218. So again, for reference, here's the sun, and here is Stephenson 218. If it were placed, Saturn would be consumed. And it's a bright star, and it's a bright hot star too, so it's not like... We're gonna start this one a little further out than what we've been, just because of its, yeah, like, as soon as it's placed, just everything just glows. The Earth? Pfft, didn't even stand a chance. It's already thousands of degrees. The sun? Still the same temperature. But if a star was close enough to another star, like if a small star like the sun was orbiting a big star like Stephenson 218, like here, the sun would get hotter, right? Oh, hey, Gagong is not. What are you doing? doing better than everybody else. The reason I spawned it out there and not like where I usually do, out here and not where I usually do, is because obvious reasons. It's like half the size of the solar system. And we're crank this up a bit. The sun is definitely going to be eaten. Yeah, here we go. And all the... Yeah, I think with this one, just everything's being eaten. Not Gong Gong. No. Bye, Gong Gong. Nothing escaped. Except these three objects right here. 2014 PG-115, 2010 GX-34, and 2014 LV-28 are the only objects that escaped. Lucky them. They're the lucky winners. Lucky. Now this should be a lot more interesting here. We're gonna spawn these in a little closer. We're gonna start off with a white dwarf. Which one's the most massive? That one's pretty good. That one's pretty big. So far, Procyon is our... So far, Procyon. We'll just use Procyon. Launch at the sun. I mean, I probably should have launched it a different direction, but who knows? Who cares? This one is also really close to the sun's mass. So, I think oh, they already interacted. That was uneventful. Very uneventful. By the way, that's like what, 16. 32 billion. 32 billion. $40 billion. 40 billion people. I think it's a cool visual. Anyways, that was quite uneventful. I guess we shouldn't have been so far zoomed in. We shouldn't have been so zoomed in. There's not really... Yeah, let's reset that. Should we do the... We'll do the White Dwarf again. White Dwarf again. This time. Out here, so, you know, we can actually see it happen. But I'm curious. Tools. No, view. Get this off. Yeah, it's bright. Alright, we can continue now. I kind of hope they collide. Because another supernova would be sick. They did not collide. And the sun just disappeared. The Earth and everyone died again, so that's 48 billion. So everything gets destroyed. Ooh, seizure screen. Alright. Now this one. This one. This one's gonna be interesting. This one, we're using a neutron star. What's a good one? The Crab Pulsar is a good one. Now for context, these things are about 10 to 20 miles in diameter. They're very small. But they got like huge gravity, so we'll launch it out here. Centered on the sun. I'm gonna pause that. Let's make the magnetic field huge. How do I turn it into a pulsar? I know there's a way to turn things into a pulsar, but I kind of forget how to. Oh well, it doesn't really matter. Where is it though? I lost it. There, oh, there it is. This thing is absolutely puny. You can't see, I like the new texture, but I like the new lighting, but I can't lie. The old ones, the old star textures were better. They were more detailed. We'll zoom in more as it gets closer. It'll start, oh yeah, it's already pulling on Uranus. And the sun's coming in, sun's moving. Oh, hey, the sun actually survived and didn't decide to just nope out of reality this time. That's nice. That's nice. It's great. Where's the Earth, though? We're at 48. 48. Where's the Earth? There's Venus. There's Ceres. Ah, there's the Earth. Okay. I bet you everyone's dead. Yep, everyone's dead. Somehow, it's just going down. Tick, 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 tick. It's just going down. Just keeps going down. Alright, just like the population of the Earth. Mars is pretty much the same. Mars didn't change much. Anyways, that's about all I'm getting out of that concept. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and always stay shibby.